Got it.
Hey everybody, it's Regan Tilley. I am here with my cousin
That
Zach Wright.
that's right.
He is going to be kind of running this weekend's regenerative soil chat. He and I are going to kind of come together and riff on some of the hugely important tasks that we need to do to keep our soil healthy. So what
Mhm.
I'm going to do is ask Zach to introduce himself and tell you just a little bit about what he does and what to be looking forward to for this Sunday. More to come. This is an impromptu little get together, but I just wanted you guys to meet Zach.
Hi,
That's
everybody. My name is Zach Wright. I am with the Living Soil Compost Lab. This is my logo of the dung beetle, and
uh,
I'm based out of Sioux Falls, South Dakota, and where we specialize in, I would say, advocacy and outreach. We are a soil testing lab, but we also work directly with producers from pot to planet, as I say, from backyard to row crop acres, tens of thousands of acres, um, helping farmers not only understand their soil, but really even just see their soil for the first time. Largely, my background is in biology and ecology, so I'm showing farmers via a microscope, which is a wonderful tool, what their growth medium, the place that they're planting all of their millions and millions of seed into, what it actually looks like, which many they've never seen before. And then helping them interpret that. And then even going a step further and teaching them how to do essentially what I do. So it's a wonderfully rewarding profession in helping growing systems regenerate, which is kind of the new, I would say, latest real catchphrase that you're hearing more about is regenerative systems, regeneration. And I've always just defined it as when soil grows soil again. But what happens is when we start working with a regenerative growth minded approach to our growing systems, I really notice that that regeneration starts to happen between the producer's ears. And then they start wondering and becoming more aware of not only what's outside of them, but what they're putting inside of them. And that's where the real growth, I think, happens is we find ourselves really connected on a whole with this total growing system. Um, a way I explain this to farmers is I don't want to grow just plants. I want you to grow plants and soil at the same time, and helping farmers do that. And that is through um, not necessarily the chemicals, not necessarily the high ionic fertilizer approach, the conventional uh, uh, approach to agriculture, the accepted approach, but more of a biological approach. And biology, I'm sure as producers you've heard, is also a very catchphrase right now. It's a very, it's been really a buzz for about the last 15 years. That too is something that I work with farmers on. That's the direction I move them toward. But I have the ability to teach a farmer how to do that themselves too. So really we're looking at not only a healthy system that's growing itself, but a decentralized system that the fertility actually then stays on the farm if you know what to do with your wastes and turning them into food, which is really our wastes are an opportunity. So I'm the Living Soil Compost Lab. It all kind of comes back to that composting, that recycling piece, and then regenerating that material and putting it back out into a system to then promote regeneration.
awesome. So I'm going to switch it back to the two of us talking for just a second. So we will go into a little more depth on Sunday. We're going to spend probably I'm aiming for about an hour. If we have questions coming up on the chat through the Zoom webinar, we'll be answering those. And I think I've got time to stay on a little longer than that hour,
Me
but we will
too.
try to honor your time. We
Mm-hmm.
won't take up too much of your time, but we are so excited. And at that point, I will tell you why it excites me to talk to Zach about what he's so excited about and how they interplay together. So you'll learn about that on Sunday, and you will learn about what we're going to do moving forward with this masterclass, because it was
Mm-hmm.
supposed to be an in-person live event in August, and then life happens and things change, and so we're going to turn this into a multiple touch experience for you. So we'll have this one this Sunday, and then we're planning another webinar or type event in September, and then we're hoping for our live visit in October, which I can't wait for because I miss you guys like crazy. So
Yay.
yeah,
Yeah. Can't
so
wait to meet you all.
Yes, I'm so excited. So join us on Sunday, August 7th at 2:30 in the afternoon. Invite your friends. This is an open forum. You don't have to pay at this point to get this information. You're going to be given some amazing tools to work with and amazing knowledge so that you can learn more, kind of get hungry for that knowledge. Like Zach was saying, is growing here between the ears just as much as we need to grow outside. And we are looking forward to seeing you on Sunday. So have a
For
great
sure.
day. Yeah.
Yeah. Thanks, everybody.
All
See you
right.
on
See you
Sunday.
soon. Yes.